In a first, after the respective military forces completed disengagement in Pangong Tso area at the line of actual control last week, India's Foreign Minister S. Jaishankar had telephonic conversation with his Chinese counterpart Wang Yi on Thursday. Both parties discussed issues related to overall India-China relations and agreed to establish a communication hotline to exchange opinions in a timely manner.
India's Foreign Minister S. Jaishankar spoke to his Chinese counterpart Wang Yi on Thursday and reviewed the status of disengagement along the LAC line of actual control in Ladakh. Both the leaders discussed the implementation of Moscow Agreement and reviewed the status of disengagement, Jaishankar said in a tweet. A 5-point agreement was reached between Jaishankar and Wang Yi at a meeting in Moscow in September last year on the sidelines of a Shanghai Cooperation Organization conclave. In a statement on Friday, India's Foreign Ministry said Jaishankar noted the completion of disengagement in the Pangong Lake area and emphasized that both sides should now quickly resolve the remaining issues along the LAC in eastern Ladakh. Once disengagement is completed at all friction points, then the two sides could also look at broader de-escalation of troops in the area and work towards the restoration of peace and tranquility, it added. Wang Yi, on his part, expressed satisfaction at the progress made so far. The two ministers agreed to remain in touch and establish a hotline. Armies of India and China, which has been locked in a standoff in eastern Ladakh since May, concluded the withdrawal of troops and weapons from the north and south banks of Pangong Tso in the high-altitude region last week. Discussions are currently underway between the Asian giants for resolution of the standoff at other friction points.